Apple has released iOS 18.4 Beta 2, the latest update for developer testers, bringing exciting new features ahead of the public release slated for April. This update improves Apple Intelligence, adds new emojis, enhances the Wallet app, and upgrades Apple Maps EV routing. Here's a list of updated features in the new iOS 18.4 Beta 2. Priority notification setting. iPhone users can now customize priority notification, an AI-powered feature that highlights the most important alerts. In settings, users can choose which apps should receive priority notifications. Visual intelligence for iPhone 15 Pro. Apple has introduced visual intelligence support for iPhone 15 Pro users. This feature, which can be accessed via the Action button in Control Center, facilitates AI-powered interactions. Control Center updates. A new set of Control Center toggles now offers quick access to Apple Intelligence and Siri, including Talk to Siri, Type to Siri, and Visual Intelligence. Apple Vision Pro app. The new Apple Vision Pro app lets users discover content, find tips, and access spatial experience. New emojis. iOS 18.4 Beta 2 introduces 7 new emojis, including face with bags under eyes, fingerprint, root vegetable, and harp. Apple Wallet and EV routing updates. A new subscriptions and payment section in Apple Wallet helps users track recurring Apple Pay payments. Meanwhile, Apple Maps EV routing will now support Tesla NACS charging stations for Ford EVs.